Hello everyone, this is video number 25 and this is the fifth question of miscellaneous. Solve this equation. First column x plus a x x x x plus a x and x x and x plus a which is equal to 0, and here a is any real number and which is not equal to 0. So it's very simple question. There are two options. Either you may apply C1 plus C2 plus C3 on first column or R1 plus R2 plus R3 on first row. So here I am applying C1 plus C2, C1 plus C2 plus C3 on C1. So first column x, x and x, it means total 3x plus a. Here also 3x plus a. Here also 3x plus a. Second column x, x plus a and x as it is, and third column also as it is, x, x and x plus a, and which is equal to 0. This is the equation. It's clear that from C1, 3x plus a is common out. 3x plus a is common out from first column C1. So 3x plus a. See, only one remaining. X, x plus a, x, x, x and x plus a, which is equal to 0. Here first row, which is simple, only one x, x. So use R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1 on R2. Apply R2 minus R1 and one more on R3. R3 minus R1. So you will get 2 0 here. So 3x plus a still as it is. 3x plus a. First row 1 x and x as it is. 1 minus 1 0. X plus a minus x, only a remaining. And here x minus x, you will get 0. Again 1 minus 1, 0. X minus x, once again it is 0. And x plus a minus x, so x cancel out, only a remaining, which is equal to 0. In first column there are 2 zeros and third row also there are 2 zeros. So expand along with C1. There are both options, expand along C1 and expand along with R3. But here I am expanding along first column C1. So 3x plus a still as it is into, this is 1, a into a square, and 0 into 0, that is 0. Only a square remaining. A square, 3x plus a equal to 0. Since it is given that a is not equal to 0, so only 3x plus a which is equal to 0. Give reason, since a is not equal to 0, it is given. So find the value of x here. A transparent to right side, so 3x is equal to minus a, or x is equal to minus a divided by 3. This is the answer. I think it is very simple question. So try in your fair copy. Okay, next question, question number 6. So let's see next question, question number 6. Prove that a square plus ab and ab BC B square plus BC and AC C square, AC and this is C square, AC plus C square, and the target is 4 times A square B square and C square. So by taking LHS, this is our target, 4 times A square B square C square. So I am just taking only LHS. This is LHS. So it is our target, 4 times A square B square and C square. This is our target. Okay. Observe this determinant. Here we are observing that in first column A is common out. From second column B is common out, and from third column C is common out. So taking A, B and C from C1, C2 and C3, taking out common A, B and C common out from C1, C2 and C3 respectively. So A, B and C right here. A is common, only A remaining. Here A is common to A plus B. Here A is common, only B remaining. From second column B is common, only C remaining. Here only B. B is common, so only B plus C. And C is common, so A plus C. C is common, so only A, and C is common, so only C. Once again observe, if we apply R1 plus R2 plus R3, then you will get here 2A plus 2B. And if we apply C1 plus C2 plus C3 on first column, then once again here we will get 2A plus 2C. A and A, 2A, C and C, 2C. So here I am applying only on C1, C1 plus C2 plus C3, C1 plus C2 plus C3. So A into B into C still as it is, C1 plus C2 plus C3, so it will be 2 times 2 is common, so only A plus C, 2A plus 2C, so 2 is common. Here 2A plus 2B, 2 is common, so 2 times A plus B. And here 2 times B plus C. C, B, B plus C, A plus C, A and C as it is. Only 2 is common from C1. 2 common out from C1. So it will be 2 ABC. 2 times ABC. Only A plus C, A plus B and B plus C remaining. A plus C, B plus C, and last one, sorry, A plus B, and last one is B plus C. A plus C, A plus B, and after that B plus C remaining. Second and third column as it is C, B and B plus C. C, B and B plus C. A plus C, A and C. A plus C, A and C. A plus C and this is also A plus C, B plus C and this is also B plus C. So use C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1 on C2. Apply C2 minus C1 and on C3 apply C3 minus C1. So 2 times A, B, C still as it is. So first column A plus C, A plus B and B plus C still as it is. Now C2 minus C1. So C minus C, C cancel out, only minus A remaining. Here B is cancel out, only minus A. B plus C and B plus C cancel out, you will get 0. Once again here, a plus c and a plus c cancel out. A minus a cancel out, only b remaining, it is minus b, and c cancel out, minus b. A minus a and minus a, if you subtract r1 minus r2, you will get 1 0 here, but this 0 is once again disappear. And same as here, if you subtract first row r2 minus r3, then you will get 0 here, minus b and minus b cancel out, and in this case here b a cancel out and a minus c remaining. So take one more operation, r2 minus r3, r2 minus r3 on r2, second row. Apply r2 minus r3. So 2 times a, b, c still as it is, first row a plus c minus a and 0. Second row r2 minus r3, a plus b minus b and minus c, so b cancel out, a minus c remaining. Here a minus minus a minus 0, there will be no effect, and minus b and minus b both are subtract to each other, you will get 0. B plus c 0 and minus b. Now expand along with C3. Expand or expanding along third column. So 2ABC still as it is. 2ABC. This is A33. 3 plus 3, 6, 6, it means plus sign. So by taking plus sign, so this is minus b, right, minus b as it is, and plus sign. So third row and third column related, a plus c into minus a, minus a into a plus c, minus a into a plus c, minus a into a plus c, minus a. So once again minus minus plus, a into a minus c. So it will be plus and a into a minus c, big bracket also close. Open this bracket. 2abc still as it is, this is minus b as it is, and minus a square minus ac plus a square, and this is minus ac. So here a square cancel out, minus ac and minus ac minus 2ac. 2abc as it is, this is minus b also waiting, and this is minus 2ac. Now minus minus plus, and 2ac and d and b, it means 2abc. So this 2 and this 2, 2 into 2, 4, abc and abc, that is a square, b square and c square, that is our RHS. So once again watch this video and write down in your fair copy. Now it's time for homework. So let's see question number 7. If A inverse 3 minus 15 5 minus 1 6 minus 2 1 minus 5 and 2, and matrix B is this 1 minus 1 0 2 3 minus 2 minus 2 0 and 1, then find AB whole inverse. Since you know that AB whole inverse, which is B inverse into A inverse, here A inverse is already given, so only find B inverse, and after finding B inverse, find the product of B inverse into A inverse, you will get answer. Same as one more question, question number 8. Matrix A is given 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 3 1 1 1 and 5, and verify that adjoint of a whole inverse which is equal to adjoint of A inverse, and second one more A inverse and once again inverse which is equal to A. So in first case, first you find adjoint of A and say B. this is suppose matrix B, and after that find B inverse, because you have to find adjoint of A whole inverse. So here adjoint of A, which is suppose B, now find B inverse. B inverse, it means in place of B. B, it means adjoint of A. B, it means adjoint of A. So B inverse adjoint of A whole inverse, you will get LHS. Now RHS. First you find A inverse, and suppose which is D. After that you will find adjoint of D. Adjoint of D, D it means A inverse. In place of D, write A inverse. This is adjoint of A inverse. Adjoint of. And give equation number 1 and 2. You will see that both equations are equal. So by 1 and 2, it's verified that adjoint of A whole inverse, which is equal to adjoint of A inverse. And the second part, A inverse, first you find A inverse, and after that suppose this is matrix B, and once again you find B inverse, once again you will get matrix A. The length of this question is very long, so try at your home. Keep with patience. Now, this is two simple question. Question number 9 and 10. Evaluate x, y, x plus y, x plus y, x plus y, x and y. So, the first option, which is C1 plus C2 plus C3 on first column. So, here you will get 2x plus 2y, it means 2 is common, so only x plus y, 2 times x plus y, here 2 times x plus y, here also 2 times x plus y, and 2 times x plus y, when you common out only 1 remaining, and after that you will try. This is the answer. And next question, already in first column there is 1 1 1, so make 2 zeros and find the answer. Okay, best of luck for this homework.